Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integral integration 0 to pi by 7 sine 7x divided by 2 minus cos 7x dx. So I is equal to integration lower limit 0 upper limit pi by 7 sine 7x divided by 2 minus cos 7x dx. Okay, here we can use substitution method. We can substitute this portion with any variable. So put here any variable t is equal to 2 minus cos 7x. Okay, we can differentiate this. So this is dt is equal to, and this is constant, so 0 minus, when we differentiate cos 7x we get minus sine 7x, and using chain rule, so when we differentiate 7x we get 7 dx. Okay, so dt is equal to minus minus plus, we can write 7 first, then sine 7x dx. Okay, and here sine 7x dx, so we can write here 1 upon 7 dt, 7 transfer this side. Okay, so sine 7x dx, and here limits are x tends to 0, so when we put 0 here, 7 times 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1, so t value 1. Okay, when x tends to pi by 7 upper limit, so when we put pi by 7 x value, 7 7 cancel, cos pi, so cos pi is minus 1, minus, and this minus will be plus, so plus 1, 2 plus 1, which is 3. Okay, now limits 1 to 3, last limit 0 to pi by 7. Got it? So now integration will be 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3, and this value is t, so 1 upon t, and sine 7x dx value is 1 upon 7 dt, so 1 upon 7 right here, and this is dt. Okay, now we can easily integrate, so 1 upon 7, this is ln t. Okay, when we integrate 1 upon t and limits 1 to 3. Now 1 upon 7. Now first put upper limit ln 3. Now put lower limit 1 ln 1. And do you know what is the value of ln 1? Tell me. Yes, this is 0. So ln 3 minus 0, it means ln 3. We can use here logarithmic property. So this one we can write here in the power 3 to the power 1 upon 7. And we can write in radical form. So ln 7th root of 3, and this is our final answer. So if you have good knowledge about trigonometry and logarithm, you can easily solve this type of question. Very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.